This time, instead of an answer, whether it's an essay, a chat, or anything else, we'll work with personalized photographs. The good news is that you don't need to know anything, absolutely nothing, about design, Photoshop, or editing. You may ask, and how? For this, we will use an artificial intelligence tool, in this case, Midjourney. Midjourney is based on DALL-E, which is the artificial intelligence of OpenAI, the world's largest company, and artificial intelligence. It modifies or creates photos from scratch. To enter to Midjourney, it is only accessible via Discord. And you might wonder, should I use Midjourney instead of DALL-E or others? And it's something I'll explain to you later in the video, because it's important to this business idea. Let's join Discord. If you're unfamiliar with Discord, it's similar to Telegram, where you will be able to send or receive messages. Log into Discord with our username and join the server. In the description, there is a link to join the Discord. Once we are in the Midjourney Discord, you will wonder, what is this? How is it used? To begin, we must go to the newbie chat, and first thing you'll see lots of people generating their own images. The way people ask for photos, it's by writing in the chat, /imagine, and type anything that comes to mind. For example, if we want to design a forest with animals and plants, we simply type /imagine and put in a forest with animals and plants. What artificial intelligence will do is scan the internet for all of the data it has on the forest with animals and plants, and he'll put it all together to offer us images such as this. As you can see, it generated these images out of nowhere that did not previously exist. But wait, why 4? Certainly this is the primary reason why we choose Midjourney and not others for this method. We can choose one of the 4, modify them, or personalize a photo of yourself, but more on that later. Now, how are we going to make money? Let's head straight to Etsy. Etsy is a combination between Amazon and AliExpress, in which you can post items and sell them wholesale or retail, including furniture, jewelry, apparel, home decor, and personalized presents. But in this video, we'll focus on what we can do using artificial intelligence, which I'll explain further down. Now we're getting into personalized gifts. For example, we will use the category of portrait photos that have been converted into anime. This is just one example of how it may be done in any style you like. As you may have noticed, people are selling the service of converting portrait photos into anime or caricatures, as you choose. The prices range from $6 to $20. Clearly, creating it from the ground up, it's quite complicated. As a result, I understand why they have this price. But know with AI, you can do it in less than 10 minutes. To be able to create custom-made anime portraits for clients, we only need one photo, which the client will provide ahead of time. To be able to use an image, we must first send the client's photo to Discord. Following that, click right and copy the link. You must rerun the /imagine command, where you must enter the link and enter the text, portrait anime. After you send it, you have 4 options to choose from. There's also another style of pictures we can remake on Midjourney, such as Pixar's or Pixel style. The idea here is that the client gives you an image and you can make it happen with AI. I think you have already understood how this business model works. It's as simple as placing your ads of remaking photos, dogs, families, or anything else, in different styles. The more advertisements you have, the better. Consider that with artificial intelligence, we can accomplish practically anything. As technology advances, this will become much more affordable. If you want to learn more about how to make money with AI, make sure you check this video, because it reveals another undervalued way to make money with AI. Spoiler alert, it's not very common.